Hold on for this episode of American Travel Family because we are in Williams, Arizona, the gateway to the Grand Canyon, and we are checking out the first and only mountain coaster in the state of Arizona.
Roller coaster!
Yeah, we're going to this cool roller coaster in the pines.
Yeah, we're just leaving our campsite. There's about 20 of us. We've got, I think, 6 families, and we're all heading to the coaster. It's called the Canyon Coaster. It's brand new in Williams, Arizona, and it's the first one of its kind in the state. So it's kind of like one of those alpine coasters, bobsled type coasters you see at some of the ski resorts. And actually, Taylor said she's been on one before.
Yeah. How was the one you went on, Taylor?
It was really fun. We got to control the speed.
Okay.
You sort of go too fast with the turns, and like you could get like
Yanked
thrown.
out.
Yeah.
She learned
It's
her
really
lesson.
fun though.
We're gonna see if she does it right this time and does not get thrown to the side.
It the whole
You're gonna gas it? I think I might gas it too.
Don't
Do it on turns. We don't want to get let go. Okay. So what the cool part of this new canyon coaster park thing is it's on the way to the Grand Canyon. So if you're visiting the Grand Canyon, Williams is the town that everyone stops at because it's super cute. It's on Route 66. And now they have this new roller coaster attraction. So you might want to check it out.
After a short drive from our campsite through downtown Williams, we arrive at the Canyon Coaster. It's easy to find. It's the last stop as you're heading out of town eastbound. Alright, so let's get checked in, talk about some pricing and height requirements, and get on this coaster.
Charlie is clearly.
This is important. You have to be 54 inches tall.
Okay, sorry, Taylor. So what is? You have to be 54 inches to get on. Are you tall enough, Kelly? Chicky's good. 54 inches.
Yes.
So the main attraction, the Canyon Coaster, is $20 per person per ride. They also have these mountain tube slides which you can purchase rides for, but we didn't do that this time.
It's 20 bucks a person.
So 80 bucks.
So 80 bucks.
Unless you have a small kid, then it's 10, and you have to ride with either.
How much is a small kid?
10, you have to ride with either.
Okay, so 10 and under with an adult. Let's see the tickets. Oh, there we go. Golden tickets.
That's it for the details. Now let's head upstairs and get on this coaster.
Oh my god. What? What the?
Josh, come here.
Palm tree road. They said hair out of your eyes. Oh my gosh. This is hilarious. Wait, Tommy, you of the hair. So everyone has to have their hair out of their face.
My first?
They're so funny. Okay, they're loading up. Nice. Hey there, there's Josh, Andrew, Kenzie, Taylor. Taylor's still right there. Woody and Matt right there. You ready?
Yeah.
There we go. And we're coming to Matt. Right there, go.
Bye. Alright, what's up everybody? We are on the Canyon Coaster in Williams. It's this brand new, hey! Alpine coaster through the forest. Here comes Parker. What's up, Parker? Yeah, Parker! Dude, this thing is awesome. So we are camping up here in Williams. They just opened up this Canyon Coaster. It's an alpine coaster that goes through the pines and ends up right in the heart of Williams downtown. So we are checking this out. Our entire group left our campsite to come do this excursion today, and it looks pretty awesome. Brand new attraction, the first thing like it in the state of Arizona. Woo! There goes Lizzie. That was Lizzie screaming away, but they're pulling us up to the top, and once we get to the top, we get on this little cart and you push forward to go and you pull back to stop. I'm gonna try and go without stopping, and they said you get up to like 30 miles an hour. It's pretty awesome. Just look at the views behind me. Definitely the highlight of our camping trip. Hey! All right, we're almost to the top where this thing's gonna start accelerating. So there's an American flag up at the top. Once we get there, all the control is up to me, and it's all the way downhill, and I control the brake and how fast I go. Brooke is right in front of me.
I'm so excited.
All the kids already went, and I just hope Brooke doesn't slow me down. And this is awesome. We've never been on one of these before. We've seen them when we've gone skiing on a lot of the mountains, but we've actually never done it, so we're pretty excited. Yeah, buddy! What a great view behind us. Bye, Brooke! All right, here we go. Woo-hoo! What a view. Yeah, let's go, baby. No break on the canyon coaster. Woo! Oh! Whoa! 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 Oh man! Whoa! Holy crap! Woo! Oh! Oh my gosh! It's like, I'm sure you're not gonna fall out of this thing, but man, it is fast! Woo! Woo! Oh, oh, oh. Woo-hoo! Yeah! Woo-hoo! Oh, they got the real Williams train! Oh my gosh! Woo-hoo! Whoa! All right, and we're coming to the end. That was awesome. I didn't lose my hat. Woo! Whoa! That is completely worth it. Gotta check this out. Woo! Wow! That was awesome. Yeah. All right, thank you. That was awesome. What did you guys think? I know, I did. I slowed once at the top, and I'm like, all right. Once you
was braking the entire time.
see,
Yeah, he went.
once you realize you're not going to flip out of it, then it's just full bore.
It was good.
Would you guys want to go again?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll go one more time.
you like this.
On this go, let's see how Parker does.
Alright, I'm going on the coaster. I'm gonna go up and then I'm gonna speed down. I am not stopping. Okay? My dad's gonna love this film. Second time, baby. Woo! This is gonna be fun. I'm excited because this thing is so much fun. Highly, highly recommend it. Yep. Alright, here I'm going. I'm switching hands. Hey, Josh! Woo! Alright, the guy found that funny. Alright, here we go. Woo-hoo! Woo! Ah! Yeah, I'm full blasting it. I don't care. I'm sending it. Maybe it looks like I'm gonna fly off this freaking the turns, but no, they slow down for you. Oh my god. Whoa, whoa, whoa! I'm going fast. Jeez. Alright, here we go. Hey, Dad! Alright, I'm blasting it. Woo! Oh. Woohoo! There's so many twists and turns. Oh god. Woohoo! I sure feel getting pushed into the ground. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, the final stretch. Whoa! Oh. Alright, here we go. Hey, man. Alright, there's a good look at the town up. Oh, I can slow down. So that was it. Woo! That was fun. What a rush. Alright, and that's the ride with me.
When you're done with all the excitement, you can head inside. The property has a large bar and restaurant with several TVs, so you can eat lunch, sit back, and relax. There's even a large TV that shows a live stream of the coaster ride, so you can watch your friends or family come down the mountain.
Look, did you guys know that there's a TV to film yourself?
My hands hurt.
Well, it shows a live stream of it. Right there, up on the wall. And guess what's behind you? A bar. So you can just watch everyone go down. That's so cool.
There's a huge deck outside with plenty of seating and a fire pit. There are also a couple other fire pits around the property where you can watch the coaster as well.
Here comes Kinsey. Woohoo! I think I can hear Matt. I can definitely hear Matt. We can hear Lizzie. Oh!
All right, Canyon Coaster, thumbs up or thumbs down? Thumbs up, that was good.
I can definitely say we all had a lot of fun here, so whether you're camping nearby or stopping through Williams, definitely check out the Canyon Coaster. It's a lot of fun, and it's the only mountain coaster of its kind in the state of Arizona.
All right, that's a wrap on the Canyon Coaster in Williams.
Be sure to follow us on TikTok and Instagram, and check out our website at AmericanTravelFamily.com.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more American Travel Family adventures.
Hi, party people.